I'm Catherine. I'm an incoming freshman at MIT, planning on taking course 6-3, which is computer science. Yeah, very stereotypical for MIT students. So far, being on campus, I love that, first off, there is boba, Tito, on campus in the student center, which is where I will be spending a lot of money throughout the semester. And I've met so many wonderful people from all over the world. I was part of a pre-orientation program, course 16 aeroastro, and we built gliders and water rockets. Whoa! And I've met people from Malaysia, Alaska, Bangladesh, Palestine, a small Caribbean island, and also Singapore, and so many more just from all across the states. And yeah, I was totally surprised by how much people are willing to talk about their experiences and pass on the information they know, sit down and have a conversation with you for hours. And yeah, also it's very apparent that people don't get much sleep here. So wish me luck throughout the semester because I'm already burnt out and very tired from orientation. So I'm going to be taking y'all on a little dorm tour. I currently live in Burton Connor, also known as BC, and it recently got renovated a few years ago, and each floor is known to have a very distinct culture. So there's the Burton floors and the Connor floors, and in total there's 9 floors, so 9 different floor cultures. This is the current setup. Yeah, I'm 2 hours into unpacking and it's going great. I'm charging my laptop because I have an advisors meeting where I'm gonna pick all my classes for this year. So yeah, I unpacked all my suitcases, which basically had a bunch of random stuff and all my clothes and snacks, and yeah, a lot more work to do, but this is a great start. Okay, so I'm kind of unpacked, but I have a advising meeting at 2:30, so that's what I'm going to right now. And advising meeting is basically where you pick which classes you want to take, and it's really nice because a lot of colleges have a system where it's it opens at some time and you have to really rush to pick classes. But at MIT it's a lot nicer because you get to pick with an advisor and sit down with them, and oftentimes they're faculty of MIT. This is like a 20-minute walk, maybe? JK, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I haven't really timed it, so I left 30 minutes before. Yeah. Progress. I've unpacked most things and put all my clothes in the closet, but as for my pants and everything, I don't really have hangers for them yet. And I put a memory foam topper on my bed and hung up a bulletin board, and I had to literally screw it in myself. The desk is still a mess, yikes, but I installed a little hanger with little accessories that I got from Korea and that my friends gave me, with accessories of bags and purses and everything. So yeah, I will be back on the grind tomorrow, but this is the layout for today. Oh my gosh, there's so much work. So now I'm gonna show you around the rest of the dorm. So if you walk outside, it's a suite style dorm. So that means that basically there's 6 different people living in one suite, and they all share a bathroom and a living area. So I'm about to take you into the bathroom. This is the bathroom. There's 2 sinks, and there's little cubbies for all of our shower stuff and supplies. And it's really nice because if you take a look, there's a little changing area before you walk into the actual shower, and that's It's really nice. In our temporary room, it was like there was a shower, and then you had to go through that changing room to get to the bathroom, and it was really annoying. Like you literally could not really use the restroom while someone was showering. So this is a lot nicer. And then if you walk out, there's the bathroom, and yeah, it's really nice. It's like, it's covered, everything's covered, so that's nice. And yeah, if you walk out, you keep going down the hall, there's a few singles, so just one person living in the room by themselves. And then this is the living area. Right now the windows are open, so it may get a little loud, but every suite has 2 fridges, which is really nice. I put my oat milk and my bagels in here, and my cream cheese for the morning if I wake up too late and don't get to a dining hall in time. And this suite's living room came with a big bear. I forgot his name, but they got him from Maine, I think. And yeah, it's like a little, it's a really nice addition to our dorm. And yeah, this place is overall really nice because it got renovated just a few years ago. The view from my living area is pretty nice. It's just like the other dorms, and from my view in my window, which I'll go back to right now actually, it's a view of the lounge area, which is like where we go to hang out. It gets a little loud at night sometimes if like other floors are having a blast, but yeah, let me show you. So personally, I like to keep my window open when I sleep, but I'm not so sure anymore because it literally faces the other rooms. See, like I could see everybody at night like moving around in their room, and I feel like that's a little bit weird on my part and on their part, so I might close it for the future. But yeah, I really like whenever my desk has a good window view, even if it's just like the other side of BC. Okay, I'm gonna explain more about Burton Connor, which is where I live, and honestly will plan on living for the next 4 years because this place is just amazing. Burton Connor is a dorm at MIT, and it has 9 different floors. There's the Burton side, which has 5 different floors, and the Connor side that has 4. So B1, Burton 1, so floor 1 of the Burton side, is known as the Boners. I know it's a funny name, but they host floorwood parties, and they're more of a social culture, and very family-like. Every floor, let me preface by saying every floor is very close-knit, whether they're more quiet and chill or more social and outgoing. So B1, the Boners, and B3, the Bombers, are more social. They have parties, and yeah, they definitely have more of a reputation than the other floors. The Connor side is known as to be more quiet, and I'm currently living on Burton 2, which is the Toucans, because toucans, and I just love them. They're really chill, but they're also kind of social. There's going to be always someone hanging out in the lounge whenever I come back from whatever events I've been doing and activities, and just hanging out whenever I want to, right? And it's kind of that feel where you can choose to be social, or you can choose to stay in your room and work on whatever you need to work on, which is why I really love them.